Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. In this episode I'll be showcasing these carbon fiber tire valve stem covers that I purchased off of Amazon. I'll put a link for them in the description below. As I mentioned in an earlier video, I do like the look of carbon fiber, so I thought this would be a nice addition to the car just to personalize it a little bit. I wanted to measure that, or weigh them rather, just so that you could see the difference in the weight between these ones and the stock ones. Get all four of them on there. And they are weighing at 13 grams. Now we will put the old ones. Now, when I purchased the vehicle, there was actually only 3, so I borrowed one of the valve stem caps off of my wife's rig, and you can see that those are only 2 grams on the plastic one, so we're adding quite a bit of grams of weight on the tires, on the rims, but in my opinion it's worth it because I do like the look and I like to personalize my vehicles a little bit. If you like this video, please push the like button, subscribe to my channel so you can see future videos, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching.